We don't just do the electrical wiring, we also label them, we make it clear to the extent that another electrician can easily work on our installation. This is a drill switch. It is used in the kitchen, mostly in the UK, to control appliances that will be in the kitchen cabinet or hard to reach places. Something like microwave, oven, refrigerator, a dishwasher, cooker, cooker hood, and a whole lot of other appliances that is hard to reach or will be fixed into the cabinet.